Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You guys want to know what I just got? Well, keep watching and you're about to find out. So you know how I have this carbon fiber here, right? Well, guess what? I'm about to change it because this is some fake carbon fiber. And take a look at this. Yeah, baby. Some real carbon fiber, super thin, has a lot of tape in the back, so it should definitely hold pretty well, and looks like it's some quality stuff. So you're about to find out. These pieces, the ABS carbon fiber, they're super fat, and it adds a lot more to the panels themselves. So these should just be super flush, just like the panels came carbon fiber instead of having this huge extra piece of plastic on top. So let's take this off and put the new stuff on. Elon Musk be like, carbon fiber on a Tesla? Never heard of that. So I'm gonna try to take this panel off first, if I can manage to do that, because I think the top is gonna be hard. To be honest, all of them are gonna be hard because these are super fat and there's so much tape on the back that I think I added extra so it holds super strong. Actually, don't think I added extra, but here's the back of this. It's plastic, and to be honest, compared to this real stuff right here, oh wow, this is a huge difference. So this is super light. I can probably, I mean, yeah, I can definitely hold it with one finger, but it's lighter than that. I can probably hold this with one finger as well, but this one is just heavier than the other one for sure, like at least 10 times heavier. Let me try to it's too heavy. Can't even hold it with one finger. I got it, but yeah, it's definitely heavy. So I'm about to clean this panel and remove the other two as well, and then install the new stuff. So let's just continue removing. I'm gonna remove this piece now. Oh shit, I have the magnet here, which is gonna suck to remove. Jesus Christ. Okay, so remove the magnet. I'm gonna remove this tape as well, because I'm not install these panels on my friend's car. He's been waiting for those. And I forgot to mention, I got these real carbon fiber pieces from RHMTuning. You can see the name and the link to their Instagram on the screen right now, so go check them out. They have real stuff, not just for Tesla, but for a lot of other cars as well. But they're trying to focus on Teslas right now, so that's a huge plus on their part, because Teslas are going big right now, so they should definitely focus on Teslas. Okay, so I decided to use a pry tool for this last piece because it's super hard to take this top piece off, and also don't want to screw up my fingernails. So just picked up this tool and going around the corners to get it off, and then once I get enough off, I can probably pull it with my hand. Which is about now. Okay. Yeah, everything's off. So yeah, these panels they're better than a wrap, but compared to real stuff, I'm surprised how big of a difference it is. So I'm gonna clean this and show you the install of the new pieces. So pretty much cleaned it with a piece of cloth right here and this hand cleanser on the go, alcohol free with whatever. Here it is, but you can use anything you want or have, like any wet wipes would work. I believe the kit comes with the wet wipes, but I just forgot them at home, so I didn't bother going back. So just use this. It's like hand sanitizer type thing, just without alcohol. So let's try to install these. This piece is gonna sit. Whew. The fitment though, the fitment is sick. Alright. When I unpeel these, all of them, there's a lot. But I feel like with a lot of the tape in the back, and it's super thin as well, the tape and the panel, so it's gonna sit super nicely. Well, let's see if it actually does. I believe it will, you know what I mean? No way it's gonna be us for $200. And by the way, I have a discount code for you guys. If you're interested in buying some carbon fiber pieces, like a spoiler, center console, dashboard for your Tesla, whatever you're interested in, they have a bunch of products on the website. And I have a discount code, which is Vlad's WTF _20. So you get 20% off your order. So go ahead and use that. And drop a like on this video for the discount code, because at first they only gave me, I think, a 5% discount code. And then eventually became like 10. So like I did my best to negotiate for you guys, if you know what I mean. So drop a like for your boy, for getting you guys a good discount code. Alright, let's move on to the middle section. That top piece closes pretty hard. I'm just gonna hide that just in case. I don't know why, but it doesn't matter to me. This closes pretty hard because there's a wire that I ran through. I believe this wire is the radar. So I think that's the radar wire, but not 100% sure on that. So this panel has to be like this. Seems like high quality tape. I don't know what kind of tape this is, because it's double-sided tape, but it's clear and super thin. So I don't think I've seen this before, but I definitely love the way it is. You know what this feels like? Like laying a piece of paper instead of like a panel. Just notice there's some garbage, you know, on the inside of this panel that you never really see, but that I just give it a clean wipe. Quick clean wipe. And I just dropped my phone, but you know, still good. Making a video out here with some juicy carbon fiber. That's dope. That's really, really sick. I love how it looks. Last piece I lined up with the bottom because I can't really see the top. I'm gonna push it from the bottom up. Actually, I have two wires, one on each side. Didn't even remember. Yeah, the second wire is for the dash cam that I have for insurance purposes, which gives me 10 or 20% discount annually. So yeah, that's why I have an extra dash cam. Otherwise I wouldn't even have it, because Tesla is pretty good on dash cams. Okay. And this is the final product. Yeah guys, so that's it for the install. It looks super sick compared to the other pieces that I had. Let me just show you one of them. So this is how it looked. Just some random material. See the pattern? Just terrible compared to this, which is like a weave. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a little hard. Yeah, you see here, there's like a weave inside the panel, and compared to this, it's just a bunch of lines, which is definitely fake and just a piece of plastic. You can like literally legit just hit people with this. It's like a baseball type thing, baseball bat. You can just hit people like crazy, or play baseball as well. It's just crazy. Or just use it for this. Oof. When it's hot outside and you don't want to use your EC because you're low on battery, just sit there and do this. Yeah, but on that note, guys, thank you for watching. I got these panels from RHMTuning. Here's their Instagram on the screen, and used Vlad's WTF_20, which is gonna give you 20% off any purchase that you make. And just to come out, to be clear, I'm not getting any commission for this. So the only benefit for me is giving you guys the opportunity to buy something real for your car. So if you think the carbon fiber is expensive or whatnot, which I believe it is, the real carbon fiber is super expensive, I wouldn't buy this for full price. But yeah, if you guys are interested, this piece, I mean, I think the center console stuff is like two something. So with 20% off, it's gonna be like at least 50 bucks off. So yeah, it's definitely nice. The only thing that I'm gonna get is if a lot of people buy it, or at least like a few. I'm just affiliated with a company, so whenever they have new products, I'm gonna test them out, and if I refer this decent amount of people, they might send me some other stuff like a front lip or side skirts, which I really want, but I don't have the money for it, so that stuff is also expensive. Maybe they'll give me like a really good discount, or just send it for free, depending on how many people I refer. So yeah, that's the only thing that I'm getting. That's the only benefit. So I'm not getting nothing, no commission, no nothing. So just an FYI. So don't think that I'm getting paid for this, for advertising this stuff. I mean, to be honest, I would if I was getting paid either way. But regardless of that, I really think this is really high quality stuff. It's definitely worth the money, especially with 20% off. I feel like I definitely would have bought these panels with 20% off. That's like 150, 160. Because I bought mirrors for my car. I don't have them yet, but I have some really nice carbon fiber mirrors that I really enjoyed looking at. So I feel like they're gonna match my car and like fit pretty well. So those were like 190, but I got a little discount, you know what I mean? So I got them for 150. You know how I am. I'm that cheap. Yeah, but not cheap, but like I'm broke. So I always try to get discounts, especially having a YouTube channel, whatnot. It's not just like getting these panels and stuff for my car only, but it's also like for video purposes, because I really enjoy making videos. So it's for me to enjoy while driving and looking at it, as well as making a video about it. So it's like a two-way thing for me. So that's why like it's kind of a beneficial for them as well if I get good amount of views. So yeah, I'm just going on a rant right now, but I should have ended the video a long time ago. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.